Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you guys this particular makeup look right over here, which is so perfect for Eid. If you are planning to do something like this, then definitely keep on watching. And the special thing about this particular video is that all the products that I'm going to use in this video will be very affordable. Maybe one or two products they are like not that affordable, but most of them are affordable. This is going to be like maximum full face using affordable makeup products, and I am just loving how my makeup look turned out for this particular look. It's for your daytime look, it's perfect. You can just change the lip color, you just change this red lip and make it a little bit more nudish. Or if you want to add this for your nighttime look, your nighttime dinner makeup look, then definitely you can wear this red shade and you will just rock it. So this is the look right over here. Keep on watching. I hope you guys will really enjoy this. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. That's it. Let's get into this video. My skin is already prepped with some sunscreen. It is so important to use a sunscreen. I mention this all the time, and not only me, I think every single influencer you will see, they will always say you to wear sunscreen because it is very important. So it is just a reminder, wear your sunscreen. Now I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil from Makeup Revolution, shade dark brown. It's a very precise eyebrow pencil, so you can easily draw your eyebrows with this. You can draw some fake hair if you have like eyebrow hair like me. Okay, after you use a sunscreen, obviously you will go with a face primer. I am using this very affordable face primer from Inside Cosmetics. This is their 3-in-1 face primer. This is very affordable, and this is an oil-free primer. Like, even if you sweat and even if your skin is very oily, this primer will help you to have that oil-free matte finish makeup base. I am going to focus the primer right over here, my T-zone area especially. Okay, I'm gonna do my eye makeup first before going in with my face makeup. I will use my e.l.f. concealer as my eyeshadow base. Show you one eye makeup look which is very beautiful, very glam, but extremely easy. So wait for it. I'm gonna take a brush and blend out my concealer. Eye makeup look today, I'm gonna use this new palette from Mars. This is their Jashne Shringar eyeshadow palette. This is what the palette looks like. It's a beautiful eyeshadow palette with so many different shades. You have colorful shades, you have brown shades, you have pink shades, shimmers and glitters. So this is like all you need kind of a palette. I think you have so many shades over here. And also I have a surprise for you. If you want to get this palette, you can use my code ANTRA10 and you can get some discount. And I think it's so special for me and you that Mars actually gave me a discount code so that I can share it with you guys. Not only this palette, if you want to purchase anything from Mars, you can just take my code, use the code and purchase your product. I'm gonna take this eyeshadow blending brush from Mars. They have a makeup brush set, which is again a beautiful must have for beginners brush set. It's very affordable at the same time. Again, if you want to get their brushes, you can again use my code ANTRA10 and get some discount. The first eyeshadow I'm gonna use is this one, which is called Dulha. I think that's so cute. And like every single palette, every single color, they have different name like bindi, dupatta, gajra. Take the brush and this is my crease line. I'm gonna use the shadow a little bit above my crease line and blend it all together. It's so easy to just blend your eyeshadow with this brush. Once you will use it, you will understand what I'm talking about. Same brush, I will take a motichur, which is right over here. It's such a beautiful yellowish orangish shade. I'm going to take the same brush and make this shadow a little bit more deeper. take a flat brush and use this shade called Churiya, which is right after Moti Chur. It's a shimmer shade, and I will use this shade and I will also mix it with this one, which is called Agni, taking Churiya and Agni together. And over here, all over my crease area, I am going to use the shadow. Lastly, I just want to add some sparkle, so I will use this shade called Doli, and this is a beautiful glitter shade with the same brush. Now with these glitters, you do not need any glitter glue. They already are very beginner friendly and they already come with a glue base, so you can just take your brush and directly use it all over your eyes. I will use my Inside Cosmetics Kajal pencil to line my eyes. I am going to line both my upper and lower lash line with this. For my base makeup, I will use my K Beauty Hydrating Foundation. This is a beautiful foundation. If you are looking for a good, long-lasting, hydrating foundation, then this is a foundation for you. It's so flawless looking, and I think it's a great dupe for the Fenty Beauty foundation that they have. Don't want to layer up too much on my face. My concealer, I will take my ELF Hydrating Concealer. This is one of my favorite concealer. I love using this so much. I'm taking way too much concealer for today just to make sure that my under eyes look very bright and not dull. Take your time and just blend your product. I have seen so many people just applying the product and taking few seconds to blend it, and everything just shows up on their face. Take your time to blend the foundation really well on your skin. Now to set my makeup, I'm gonna use this particular compact powder from Kiro. This is what it looks like. If you haven't seen my review, make sure to go and watch it. I love this compact powder so much. This is in the shade Hazel Beige. It also comes with a mirror like this, and here you have a sponge. I am going to use this powder to set my under eyes, and this powder is very long lasting. It just makes your makeup look very flawless. Powder with my Swiss Beauty brush and set my makeup. You can see how flawless my skin looks with this powder. Taking a little bit of cream contour from ELF, and very softly I'm just contouring I'm just giving my face a bit of warmth. This is not a contour, this is a bronzer. So I'm just making sure that everything is blended in. For my blush, I will use this lip and cheek tint from Body Shop, shade 001. It's such a pretty color. If you have any other lip and cheek tint from maybe Face Shop or any other brand, you can use it. I don't have any affordable lip and cheek tint like this, that's why I'm using this one. For my highlighter, I have this amazing stunning highlighter from Revolution. This is a golden highlighter which looks so stunning, especially if you have a deeper skin tone. Look at that. For my lips, I'm taking this stunning color from Mars again, and this is called No Filter, which is 03, a beautiful red color, very long lasting, very matte. Again, if you want to purchase it, get some discount, make sure you use my code ANTRA10. Is the finished look right over here. This is what my Eid makeup look looks like. I think it looks so stunning, so gorgeous, easy at the same time, and if you want to skip any step, you can definitely do it. You do not have to exactly copy the way I did. You can use your creativity, you can do whatever you feel like, you can change the colors, but I showed you guys few techniques as well, and I hope that will help you a lot. Make sure to send me your Eid pictures. I want to see your makeup looks because it makes me so happy. For today's video, guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.